Hello guys, welcome to you. In this video, we are going to see how to download and install Canon PIXMA MG3070s printer driver in a Windows 10 PC or laptop. It is a very easy and simple process. So let's go to our video. First, we check our machine is 32-bit or 64-bit. That is very easy to check it. Go to this PC, right click on this PC, click on the properties. In a properties, we find many options. Scroll down and find system type. Find system type. If system type is 32-bit, that means that machine is 32-bit operating system machine. If system type is 64-bit, that means that machine is 64-bit operating system machine. This machine is 64-bit operating system machine. Close it. Next step is go to the any web browser that you like. I am going to the Google Chrome. And in search, type Canon PIXMA MG3070s printer driver and hit enter key on your keyboard. First link is from the Canon. Open the first link, or open this support link. I open the support link. Okay, open support link. After that, support page is open. Here we find our printer name. This printer contains multiple printers, 3 or 4 printers, and it shows their names. Scroll down and here we find our operating system. If it is not select Windows 10, then click at here and select Windows 10. If bit is 64-bit, then select x64. If 32, then go to the Windows 10. Click at here and after that click on the search. After that, here we find the first link. Click on this printer driver, click on that, and it's redirect to the another page. Click on this download, and download is started at the top. Here we find our download is started. Wait for a few seconds. Our download is completed. Go to the downloads, click on show in folder, minimize it, and drag this setup file to desktop. Close it. Here we find our printer driver file, and this setup file is actually a zip file, and we are going to unzip this zip file. Right click on this zip file, click on extract files, click on the OK. Here we find one folder or extracted folder. Double click on it, double click on this folder. Here we find driver, and here we find our all drivers. Close it. Next step is install our drivers. Go to the start, type printers and scanners, click on the printers and scanners. In a printers and scanner, at the top we find add a printer or scanner. Click on add a printer or scanner. Wait for a few seconds. New option is pop up in a few seconds. Wait for a few seconds. The printer that I want isn't listed. Click on that. Close it. Here we find many option. In add a printer, go to the last option, add a local printer or network printer with manual settings. Select last option. Click on the next. Here we find existing port, most IMP part of this installation. Click at here, and if you find any port name USB, USB 001, USB 002, USB 003, USB 004, select any USB port that you find. Click on the next. Click on the hard disk. Go to the browse. Go to the desktop. Here we find one folder. Double click on it. Here we find one folder. Double click on it. Here we find driver, double click on driver. Here we find 2 files, and these 2 files contain same driver. Select any file that you want and click on the open. After that, click on the OK button. Here we find Canon MG3070s series XPS. This is a series printer, and this series printer contain many printer including our printer name MG3070s. Select this series printer, click on the next. Give any name that you like. I give 70s. You can give any name. I give Canon MG3070s and click on the next. It's installing our printer, and it takes few seconds or few minutes depending on the speed of our PC. So wait for a few seconds to completely install this printer. After installation is complete, we go to our next step. Wait for a few seconds. Our printer is now installed. If you want to share in the network this printer, then select last option. I don't, so I select do not share this printer. Click on the next. If you want to print a test page, then click on a print a test page or click on a finish. Next step is check our printer is properly working or not. Go to the start, type printers and scanners, click on the printers and scanners. In a printers and scanners, in a printer list, if you find your printer name Canon MG3070s, that means your printer is properly installed and it's work 110% in Windows 10 PC or laptop. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment on this video, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.